Have you ever felt like you're manually managing your money, even in a digital world? Like you're constantly fighting your budget instead of letting it work for you? That's exactly how I felt before I started diving deep into the automation features inside Rocket Money. This app is more than just a place to see your balances, it's a powerful tool for putting your finances on autopilot. I've used it for a while now, and in my experience, there are three primary automation tools that stand out as game changers. The first, and probably the most popular, is the subscription finder and cancellation assistant. Rocket Money automatically scans your linked accounts to find every recurring charge. For me, this was an eye-opener. I found a few old subscriptions I genuinely forgot about, things like a streaming service trial and a niche app one used once. The real power here is the premium feature that automates the cancellation process. Instead of logging into 5 different sites and hunting for cancel subscription buttons, I just tap a button in Rocket Money, and they handle the paperwork, the emails, and the phone calls. That's a massive win for saving time and cutting out financial leakage. Second is the Smart Savings Plan. For years, I struggled with consistently moving money to savings. I'd do it manually, and inevitably, some unexpected expense would make me hesitate. The Smart Savings tool eliminates that mental friction. It analyzes my spending habits and account balances to automatically transfer small amounts of money, what it calls safe-to-save amounts, into a separate, goal-based savings account. It's small transfers, but they add up fast, and because the app determines the transfer amount based on my real-time finances, I've never worried about an overdraft. It truly puts saving on autopilot, making it effortless to build an emergency fund or save for a big purchase. Finally, the automated spending categorization and alerts tool is the unsung hero of the automation suite. When you link your bank and credit card accounts, Rocket Money imports and automatically categorizes every transaction. I can edit them if needed and even set up custom rules for tricky vendors, but for the most part, it's hands-off. This feeds directly into the budgeting feature, which then provides real-time alerts. For example, I set a limit for dining out. If I get close to that limit, the app sends me a notification. It's not a historical report, it's a preventative warning, and that has been crucial for keeping my discretionary spending in check without having to constantly check my spreadsheet. The key takeaway from my personal use is this: these tools automate the mundane and the difficult parts of money management. They find the leaks, they force you to save, and they give you actionable, immediate feedback on your budget. It turns money management from a constant chore into a system that runs itself. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.